This is going to be interesting. Shane Warne has been introduced into the attack. Oh, and a big appeal there for LBW straight away. Not out, says umpire Azad. It couldn't have been that far away. It pitched on the stumps and certainly straightened a bit, perhaps a little bit too much.
Would have missed leg stump by a considerable amount.
Dead right, Richie. It was spinning a long way. Very difficult to give that out. Very easy to see that it was going down the leg side. But then again, Warne will play it up. I mean, Warne really is going to. Oh, he'd love to. He'd just love to get rid of Smith. There can be no doubt about that. So de Villiers is on strike.
Beautiful ball, Shane.
So far, each ball has taken a minute. A ball a minute. No wicket for 37. Right now, McGrath is around the wicket to the left-hander. It looked as if McGrath was going to be taken out of the attack, and he obviously asked his captain for one more, one to go around the wicket. So this is probably going to be his last over.
Wait.
That's good running. We saw them do that in Perth, and we're going to get overthrows here as well. And a very good throw in, and that's the end of McGrath's extra over. No wicket for 39. So Graham Smith and AB de Villiers involved in a nice scrap out there. Warner's just been introduced, so
Oh, nice, Shane.
it's going to be an interesting passage of play to tell you about it. Mark Nicholas and Ian Chappell.
Thank you, Tony. It'll be a good one to watch if Warne's involved, as has most of the day thus far. That's right, it's a good one to watch. Brilliant cricket from Adam Gilchrist, matching the delivery from Shane Warne, and it's the end for AB de Villiers.
Gilchrist had those bails off very, very quickly. It's almost like he was reading Shane Warne's mind. He knew exactly what was going to happen. His gloves were in the exact right position, and boy, he had them off quickly. So that's number 93 for Warne in 2005. South Africa won for 39.
Withstood a good spell of bowling from the Australians yesterday morning, but perished in the afternoon. It's Warne right on song.
Oh.
And that's a good start from Gibbs.
Well, Gibbs, rather unwisely, I think, was quoted in this morning's press as saying there's not much in the pitch for leg spinners.
Beautifully flighted leg break that just dipped on de Villiers. and spun sharply. Gilchrist was like lightning.
Oh, taxi. Shane.
Different energy in the match now that Warne's on. It's 1 for 45. I wonder if AB de Villiers was at all scarred by his experience in Perth. When he first played Warne in the first innings, he did use his feet. Was happy to. Decision by McGrath, who insists he had another over.
And you can bet that the reason why Smith is walking off so dejectedly is because he saw that, and he knew that he only had to survive one more over from McGrath, and he was through that problem, and he wasn't good enough to survive it. Just moved away a touch, drew him into the drive, much like Warne drew de Villiers out of his crease. A couple of very good deliveries, and South Africa is suddenly 2 for 45.
Nice little tumbler to his left side to get rid of Graham Smith, and is there not a new complexion on this game? Jacques Kallis comes to the crease with so little cricket behind him. That's good over from Glenn McGrath. It'll earn him another. Good pull strike. Quickly into position. That's a Gibbs strength against slow bowling. He's searching for length, and when he picks it, he's quick to collar.
You've got to be quick on your feet playing Shane Warne, and it doesn't only mean going forward. Just as important to get back quickly, and Gibbs did. Gibbs really doesn't look to drive him much. Prefers, when he does pitch the ball up there, to play the sweep shot, which I think is a pretty dangerous sweep. I really think you should only be playing one sweep to Shane Warne, and that's the very fine one, where when the ball curves in to just outside leg stump, you hit it virtually to fine leg.
Oh, yes, Warne.
It's a nice way to get going. Kallis didn't look himself at all in the first innings, as if he was struggling to locate coordination between hand and eye and bat. It's much more like himself. And a beautiful straight drive to match the one through extra cover. That's a classic. Maybe too much, maybe too high, too many maybes for Steve Buckner. 2 for 58 the score. This is the shout against Jacques Kallis at the end of the previous over, and Hawkeye indicating it might have gone over the top of leg stump. Got him! Oh, Shane Warne, you are a beauty.
Gibbs had looked very comfortable playing back to Warne early in this innings. He hit 2 fours off the back foot, and Warne has given him the quicker one, and he just has not picked it at all, and it's gone right through his defence. Quicker and not spinning as much. Straight through Gibbs. Skidded straight on, and he was looking for the leg break. 3 for 58 South Africa, and in trouble.